area of parcels with circular boundaries, right? So like we said in the first slide, that what if the whole figure is regular shape, but some side is not of regular shape, or it's not, easy to calculate the area of that. If you see this figure 12.7, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, this can be a very nice polygon, right? But this EF is like a circular kind of shape. So we cannot use any formula here, because this shape doesn't fit into any formula. So what we will do, we will divide this shape, right, into three shapes. One would be A, B, C, D, E, G, F, right? This would be polygon. And then one would be this triangle E, G, F. And then one would be this segment, right? This segment, which is EF segment, right? So the area of a track that has a circular curve for one boundary, this is one boundary which has circular curve EF, as shown in figure 12.7, can be found by dividing the figure into two parts: polygon ABCDEGFA, ABCDEGFA, right? And a sector EGF, EGF, which is this triangle, right? The radius R is equal to EG is equal to FG. This R, if we consider this R, right? If we consider this whole thing a circle, part of the circle, this rectangular thing and this circular segment, if we consider it a pi of a circle, then this thing EG or GF would be equal to radius of that circle. And this is internal angle of that. And either central angle theta EGF or the length of EF must be known or computed to permit the calculation of sector EGF. So we want to calculate the area of this whole sector, right? So we should have either the value, we know the values of EG and FG because they are the radius and we can measure that, right? Otherwise, we also need at least one thing, either this internal angle or the length of this EF must be known. Then we can calculate the area of this whole sector. So area of EGF is equal to pi r square theta over 360 degree. That is the formula. So we know the R. If we know the theta, we can easily calculate the area of this sector. However, this length, this chord length, which is EF, if the chord length EF is known, angle theta is equal to 2 sine inverse EF over 2R. If we know the length of EF, then angle can be calculated from this formula, and the preceding equation is used to calculate the sector area. To obtain the track total area, the sector area is added to this main area found by either the coordinates or DMD method. So we have studied the coordinate method. We will use that coordinate method to calculate this main area, and then we will use this equation to calculate the area of this segment, right, this triangular segment, and then we will calculate the area of this EF, which is that strip type thing. So area of that segment equation is 0.5 r square theta minus sine theta. So if we know this theta, if we know the R, right, we can calculate the area of this segment EF. So once we have all these areas, we will use coordinates to calculate this area. We will use this equation to calculate this sector, triangular sector area, and then we will use this equation to calculate the area of this segment. And once we have all these three areas, we will add them together, and that will give us the total area of this whatever land or surveying boundary or whatever it is. So you got that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So here is partitioning of land, trial and error method, this and that. This is not necessary in this chapter, so we will not go through into this. Or maybe if you want to do that, this is pretty simple, that how you can use trial and error method, you can calculate that. But it's not widely used, so I don't know. It's up to you. If you want to study that, study that. If you don't want, don't do that. Area by measurements from the map. You know that map method, like you can, you have a scale and you measure from the maps and multiply, divide, whatever, and you calculate the area using by map. Area by coordinate, squares, counting the coordinate squares, area by planimeter. So this is all theoretical part. You can just read one time. Software. All right, this is the end of this chapter. All right, so this is the end of this chapter, right? It was pretty simple, right? If you have questions, you can ask me right now. These are just 2-3 topics which are important here, which we have studied right now. So you might have slow internet connection if because if that can be uploaded, you can also download it if you have a nice internet connection. So you can ask somebody else, he can download and email you or something, right? So Zishan, you sent me whatever was submitted to you so far. I got 3 emails from you.
Yes, sir.
All right.
सर क्विज होगा सर्वे का
सर्वे का एक क्विज शायद हो गया, लेकिन अभी नहीं, अगले कोई हफ्ते 2
एक क्विज हो चुका था
हाँ, एक हो चुका था। हाँ,
एग्जाम से पहले कोई क्विज होगा
हाँ,
एग्जाम से पहले कोई क्विज होगा
हाँ, शायद एक क्विज आपको देना पड़े।
पर सर ये एग्जाम कैसे होगा क्योंकि न्यूमेरिकल्स वैल्यू वहां पे एग्जाम्स में कैसे लिखेगी कौन सा क्या यूज होगा ऐप कौन सी
आपको एग्जाम जो है वो इसी जूम के थ्रू में भेज दूंगा, तो आपके पास बुक्स वगैरह हैं, सब कुछ होगा, तो ये ओपन बुक टाइप एग्जाम होगा।
ओके ठीक है
यूनिवर्सिटी खुल गई फिर तो यूनिवर्सिटी में होगा ना एग्जाम।
हाँ, अगर यूनिवर्सिटी खोल जाती है तो फिर क्लास में ही होगा, वरना ये ओपन बुक होगा। मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि यूनिवर्सिटी खुलेगी।
यस सर
Any questions?
नो सर
You had any
Sir,
problem in the
yes.
previous chapter? Any question there?
नो सर
All right, then anybody who came late for attendance or something?
यस सर सर मेरी रह गई थी यस सर
कौन सी? क्या रोल नंबर है?
24
R24 or 24?
24 मेहरान सादत
मेहरान सादत, ओके।
सर 25 एज वेल सर
तुम लोग इधर ऑनलाइन में भी इकट्ठे आ रहे हो लेट?
सर मेरा
Anybody
वो
else?
कनेक्शन का इशू था
Anybody else?
सर कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था सर
Okay, then we can finish the meeting, right? And you guys, if you have any question, just let me know in the next chapter or text me on WhatsApp, okay? And I will try to, solve that problem, whatever you have, right? ठीक है?
सर